Like I said, a beautiful beach. It's not very deep until you get further out. Surprised more people are not using the chairs and the umbrellas. But them tents with the big white roofs over there, people rent them. Beach wave over there. It's like a little, probably a little cafe. And that bridge over there, if you can see it. Looks like a boat dock on the other side. Probably tours, jet skis, that kind of stuff. I haven't been over there, so I'm not completely sure. Let me see if I can see my friends out there. Nope, I don't see them, but I know they're there. One is wearing a bright yellow bucket hat, but he could have left it up here on the beach. Oh. So if you can see, it looks like the name is pronounced Hamdiak. I am not real good at pronouncing Korean words, but it looks like Hamdiak. Rent your little life jackets and floaties there. So for reference, that's that GS25 we just saw. These guys here look like they're hard at work. It's just a beautiful beach. Look at the mountain. It's great. All these tents and stuff kind of surprise me. It always does. Like I said, we're in Jeju. I think we're the opposite side of the island from the city. The whole island's built up, so. Olive Young, Starbucks. Another one of the art pieces. You can always come here, sit down, enjoy some rice. Very nice. Not real sure what he's doing. I think tending the fire. It's just another section of basically the same beach. It's a little food area. It's not open yet. It's about 10:45 in the morning. Kyoton. So if you're feeling lonely, you see the little red guy there. There's another one. You can always go over, get a kiss. Maybe it'll make you feel better. Maybe you'll catch COVID, I don't know. Interesting little statues there at that entryway. It's not too crowded. You can see how shallow it is. It's really nice. I might come back and go in, I don't know. Burger 307, beer pub, another GS 25. Nice to see you. That is another little convenience store. So if you get the transit cards, I highly recommend, save you a fortune. The bus system ain't bad, it's easy to follow. But you can go into Nice to See You and recharge the card. Simple process. Just tell the guy how much you want to put on it, hand him the card, and give him the money, and almost instantly give it back to you. A pretty nice wall. All mosaic. So a lot of nice things in Jeju. A lot of nice things in Korea. So I leave here. We'll go back up to Gwangju. That's where my friends live. And then later on, I'm going to go to Busan, do a few more videos. Then I'm going to spend a couple weeks in Seoul. And then I'll be leaving for Korea after that. But I'll be back. Like most places I like, I'll be back. So I was in Gwangju about 4 days. Spent my birthday there. Thanks to my friends, probably one of the best birthdays I ever had. It's great. I had been wanting to ride one of the little two-wheel scooters, but I didn't want to do it myself. And sometimes you don't have a driver's license in that country, you can't really get the app. They took me out, rented it on theirs, showed me the basics, and glad I did. Another great part of travel. Friends all over the world is another good part. One of my friends here is he's from the United States, but I met him in Thailand. Now he lives here. We've met up a few places over the years. The other one is native Korean. So you see a little statue with the sunglasses. Those things are all over the city. They're known as the Jeju grandfather. They're nice. Some of them are huge, some are small, you just never know. But I'll be honest, I never heard of one until I got here. And I'm guessing it's probably going to be exactly the same with most of you guys. People come up and get in their pictures. I used to get a little upset. People step in front of me, take selfies when trying to film, but I don't anymore. Unless they look straight at me and intentionally try to mess up my shot, which happens a few times. Not much. In these countries here, these Asian countries, extreme rarity. And if it happens, it's normally a tourist that's a non-Asian. People here are polite. It's a safe country. People forget their credit cards, leave it on the table. Leave it in a cafe. And they come back, it's still there. Either been turned in or still laying in exactly the same spot they left it. Nobody touches stuff like that. This is a good country, full of good people. A little more of a language barrier further south you go than there are in Seoul, but it's not a problem. I mean, a lot of people still speak English. Google Translate works pretty good on Korean. So never go someplace because you're worried because you can't speak the language. There's always ways. And most of the time it's easier than you think. So all this black rock, if you can't tell, is volcanic rock. Like everywhere. Wow. Across here, hopefully. Unlike Vietnam, you just walk out in front of the cars and they stop. It's not a thing here. It's not a thing in most of the world. Oh, there's a better view of one of them. Another GS25. I don't know what that is. Oh, that breeze. Great breeze up here. So I think we're going to end here. If you like the video, please subscribe. Check the links in the description and please leave me a comment. Greatly appreciated. So thank you very much.